To obtain anode ion particles in the first Descendant, you can acquire them by killing mission monsters in Hagil's region. The missions where these monsters can be found are displayed on the screen, including Volga's Blockade, Beep Digger, Large Supply Transport Point, and others. To find these missions, go to Magistar's Eye, open the menu, access Magistar's Eye, and click on Descendant Material. Then, search for Anode and select Anode Ion Particle to view the acquisition info, which states that they drop from mission monsters. However, it's worth noting that anode ion particles can also be found in resource or ammunition boxes throughout Hagil's region. To increase your chances of obtaining them, make sure to loot the region, complete missions, kill mission monsters, and open various loot boxes. By doing so, you should be able to acquire the anode ion particles you need.